I think it's really important so that we understand from a strategic point of view what our customers are thinking about, what they care about, and some of the issues that they're facing. And particularly when they talk to their colleagues, it comes alive in a much different way than when you read it in an article or on the newspaper. I think it's really important to have these innovation sessions, because if we don't challenge the way that we currently do things and think about problems differently, we're always going to end up with the same solutions, and they clearly don't always work. And I think technology and people and organisations evolve so quickly that if we don't understand the opportunity for change, then we are missing a massive opportunity for the sector. We talked about some issues that if we'd have run this a year ago, certainly wouldn't have been on our radar, or if they were on our radar, and food security was one of them, certainly not as high up as it was today. So I think the sort of nature of it being so current is really interesting as well. And hopefully the other sessions that we do will challenge some of those priorities as well.